In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up time tracking and also configure some automations that are extremely valuable for the time tracking setup. So who might need time tracking? Well, essentially, if you're a marketing agency and you want to see how long it's taking your staff members to deliver a specific task or project, it'll help you calculate your actual profit margins in some cases. And if you're in accounting, let's say you have accounts billable and so on. So configuring time tracking is extremely easy within Monday. You just add another column, just click the plus button there and just write time, and time tracking comes up. Now you have multiple ways to actually configure and start the time tracking itself. One way is to manually just push the button and you can see the time is already starting to be tracked. But what we like to configure is the automation. So go to automate. Start from scratch. And I want when a status changes to something. So when a status changes to working on it, then I want to start time tracking. Perfect. So what this does is when a new task has been provided under a project, and when a coworker, employee goes to the status and presses working on it, it is going to trigger an automation that will start triggering the time tracking. And let's say you can also configure another automation that would be stuck or pause or done working on it, which will automatically stop the time tracking. Now, this is a really cool feature that Monday has, and we really urge any organization that needs to track their employees or deliverables to actually configure it within their monday.com account. That was pretty much it. Quick tutorial. Have a great day and see you in the next one.